Day 2 of the Cape Wrath Trail. I survived my night in my tent. I wouldn't say it was the most comfortable night. Tossed and turned a lot last night. I'm not in the best spot. It's a wee bit kind of up and down and slopey, so I was kind of sliding off my sleep mat. But it's quite a long night to be in your tent from about the back of 6 or 7 o'clock-ish till 7 in the morning. So I do think I'm rested. I wouldn't say I slept brilliantly, but I'm up. Most importantly, I've got the coffee done. Breakfast is cooking. Kyber muesli, adventure food. Haven't had that one before, so I'm hoping it tastes okay. It'll certainly do the job. I've even made myself a wee fruit tea for later on. The peppermint and licorice, all good. So yes, I'll get packed up within the next 3/4 of an hour. I'll be up and away. My first challenge of the day will be try to put my contact lenses in the outdoors. I find that hard enough to do in the bathroom, so I'll have a go at it and I'll let you know how I got on later on. But yes, I'm just going to get packed up, have my breakfast, morning ablutions, and then get out of here. So I've got a bit of a steep climb to start off with. I'm sitting about 3/4 of the way up Kona Glen, maybe another 2-3 kilometres to the Bealach, and then up and over and down and towards Callip via Glenfinnan, and then through the other side up to Corryhully Bothy. I'll make my mind up when I get there whether I want to camp there or push on a bit further. But I'll see how my feet are. I had one wee blister last night, so I've dealt with that just because of the heavy pack. So all going well. I will catch up with you crazy kids later on. Okay, over and out. Good evening all. So this is my wild camp on day 2 of the Cape Wrath Trail. So this is my camp for tonight. I'm camped just outside Corryhully Bothy. The Bothy's closed due to COVID regulations. I've got a cup of tea, which is good, and I've also got my pasta bolognese, which actually this time I've given it enough. I waited long enough this time, so it's tastes pretty good. So the rain was forecast to come tomorrow, but it's here already, so I think tonight's probably going to be a bit more miserable. I've got a wee fire, but I don't know if it'll last that long. The wood's not that great. So tomorrow I'm probably going to wake up to the rain, so I'll need to try and get all my sort of packing and all that dialed in a bit quicker in the morning. And then I'm going to walk from Corryhully, I'm going to walk to Achul Bothy, which again will probably be closed, but it may not be. If it's not, I may sneak in, and I'll be the only one there anyway, and maybe try and get a wee fire, especially if it's wet. That'd be quite good. And then from there I'll be heading to Surleys into Knoydart. So tomorrow it's about 15 or 16k I've got to do, but it's up over a pass, so it's up to from sea level to 500 metres first thing. Then down the other side, and there's a couple of river crossings I need to do tomorrow as well. So I'm hoping the water doesn't get too high, and that'll all be good. I'll try and check in with you tomorrow morning before I head off. So this is over and out for the end of day 2. I'm going to get an early night's bit of kit tonight, and I shall catch up with you guys tomorrow, I hope. Yeah, all going well. Oh, just to let you know, I've got my contact lenses in. I managed to do it. I'm not sure how I'll do in the rain tomorrow, but I'll try my best. Okay guys, over and out, bye. It's nearly 6 o'clock. I'm at the Bothy at Corryhully. There's my wee tent there. The Bothy is obviously closed due to COVID regulations. So, and the rain's starting to come on, so I thought, what's the best way to heighten my spirits a wee bit? I thought, I know. Just let me see the view here. It's pretty special. There we go. And I'm going to be heading up through there tomorrow. I'd like to see what I look like as well this morning. So this is my day 3 of the Cape Wrath Trail. Woke up to absolutely horrendous minging weather. The rain is hammering down, the river's flooding. Got a couple of rivers to cross today, so I need to be careful. Managed to get my contact lenses in, yeah, so at least I can see, because I'll need to be able to do that, I think. I need to try and see whether there is a wee footbridge that I can maybe try and cross, as long as it's not swept away. But that could be tricky today. But that's what happens in Scotland. Yesterday was beautiful, the day before was beautiful, so them's the rules. But onwards and upwards, so yeah. Just I'll give you one last wee look up at the bothy there. And the carnage behind me. Okay, and I'll catch up with you guys later on. This is Scotland, this day, a couple of days that makes you think, oh, the weather's great. Then it starts to rain. So this morning it is absolutely minging.